So this morning we're going to try to clear out some squash bugs. If you look closely, you can see them right there. This plant has tons of them, and I'm going to use a shop vac to clear them off the plant. So people say you can hand pick, but I'm going to use this thing. Brand doesn't matter. Inside I've filled it with soapy water. You don't need to put this much in there, I just happen to do that. And then convert your vacuum to wet mode, which usually just entails removing the dry paper filters in the bag. Probably best done with two hands, so I can't film at the same time right now, but turn on your vac, hold your leaves tight, and run them up and down. Maybe put a brush head on there. I'll try that, see how it works. Here's the end result. Right there you can see 3 of them. Most of them are at the bottom, drowned already. There is a lot of debris in here, but that's no big deal. Just wait a little bit, let them die, and then you can dump it out wherever. Okay, I'll show you what I did, but with no vacuum on, just so you can see. So I did add an attachment, that one there, to get the leaves. And it didn't do any damage to the leaves. I mean, no more damage than these things are already doing. Then I removed the head and just was lightly going above. You can kind of see how low I am here. And just sucking them off the ground into the vacuum. You will get some debris. And if you get it clogged up, you can just tap it. And it'll come out and then re-suck up anything that comes out. And then when you get done with the leaves and the ground, you can come in to the stems and suck them off of there. Honestly, I think I got 90% off of here. So just kind of lift your plant up and look underneath. You'll see them on the ground. There's a lot of babies on there as well. Try to get them all, or as many as you can. And then these are my pumpkin plants, and you see those little seed-looking things? Those are eggs. This is the first year I've planted pumpkins, and it appears that these brought squash bugs. You can look it up online. There's some kind of neem oil mixture that you can make and spray onto these, and they won't hatch, supposedly. So I tried that yesterday. See if that works.
Regarding the neem oil spray, it never seemed to work. It rained and just washed it off. I ended up trashing all my pumpkins that year because the plants were all sucked dry from the beetles. My squash plants did pretty good that year after removing most of the squash bugs.